Working in the agricultural sector can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you work on a farm, own a farm, or manage an agricultural association, the work that you do feeds people across Canada and around the world. But there are also challenges. Without the right training and resources, managing and supporting the people who help your farm thrive can be tough, especially when they're family members, or foreign workers, or new and inexperienced. Sometimes it can feel like there are more questions than answers. How do I know I'm doing the job right? How do I find the skilled workers I need? How do I discipline an employee? Do my people have the training they need? Who will take over when I retire? The AgriSkills program was developed to answer the biggest questions on the minds of today's agricultural producers and workers. AgriSkills offers the widest selection of training, tools, and best practices for every agricultural role, from entry-level workers to farm owners. It's tools and resources to help farm supervisors and managers do a better job of managing people, on-the-job training and e-learning for farm workers, and customized training packages for agricultural associations that want to support the success of their members. We've got something for everybody, and people across Canada are already putting these valuable resources to work on their farms.
When I participated in the AgriSkills workshop, it was a huge eye-opening experience for me. It helped us to determine individual roles on our family farm, which I think helped us better our family business.
For producers and for associations, AgriSkills has the tools and training to enhance skills and support success.